So this is at least 20 feet, I would say. So probably go the whole way, fully extend this. And when this comes on, I'm sure it could be hilarious because it might knock me over. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Here we go. Here we go. So hard to control that thing. I hear clumps. Okay, update. This thing is driving me bananas. So I'm gonna take that off and I'm gonna put this thing in. And this, you can, of course that's gonna spin, but you can kind of click it in. I think like an angle like that might work. This is just too spinny, if you will. I'll try it anyways. Oh, I heard something. So this is working pretty good. The way I'm holding it here, and then just leaning back, holding pressure on it, holding the sprayer away a little bit, and just kind of bouncing it back and forth. Trying to break up all that stuff. There we go. I'm gonna win. You cannot defeat me. So after a little trial and error and a lot of passes, I got the gutter cleaned out. It's looking awesome.